Hey guys, welcome back again. Today we're getting ready to go to the beach. And yeah, hopefully it won't rain on our heads. That'd be bad.
Hey, we're going to get lit anyways.
True. But my mom isn't. So if it rains, she'll be.
Don't come in. Okay then.
I gotta go to the beach, and we'll see you guys there. So I made it to the beach. Walking in right now. She saw the drive. There's like beach and water there, and she's like, loves the water and stuff, but she's dying because of the heat.
Yeah. It's not even that hot. You go to the bathroom before we go to the beach?
No.
It's not even that hot.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
not.
there's a lizard.
Oh, it's just a little lizard. So yeah, we're walking right now.
Oh no.
It's so hot.
That's like the one that
That's
chased
so
me.
good. There's a lizard over there.
That's the one that chased you?
That's like the one that chased me. I'm not sure if you could even see it.
It's a huge iguana.
Yeah, it's gigantic. It looks like a mini
It has
dinosaur.
spots all over its back.
Yeah. This bag is so heavy. It's like all the towels and stuff in it. It's so heavy. And I'm so short that it's just gonna drag on the floor if I put it like Summer had it. See, like her, it doesn't even touch the floor. With me, it drags on the floor. I'm short.
There's another one. Keep walking.
Summer, why don't you tell them about your
I'm at the beach.
experience with iguanas? Summer, why don't you tell them your experience with iguanas?
You tell them.
You tell them. It's your story.
One time, it was like the mating season, and we were looking at the iguanas. The boy one chased me, and I got scared, so I didn't know they could swim, so I jumped in. And I jumped into the little, what's it called, canal thing?
Yeah.
And he jumped down after me and chased me, so I got up on land, and he jumped, and he was just so scary. I don't like them anymore.
Yeah, now she's like terrified of them.
But I think they're cute.
I hate them.
Flowers and green stuff.
I don't hate them, but like I wouldn't have a pet iguana.
There's sand.
Why are you guys gagging?
Because it smells disgusting.
What does it smell like?
Bird poop.
They're dying because it smells like bird. It smells so bad. They're leaving. They're out of here. Great first experience on the beach. So Hannah, how are you liking the beach so far?
I was here.
Also, sorry if the vlogs are mostly me. They're lame and they don't vlog. Like, they don't. It's a flip flop. It's not nice. What'd you say, Hannah? Hannah, what'd you say? Someone decided to feed the birds. And we're trying to eat here.
I love feeding the birds.
Yeah, while we're eating. These two got blankets on their head or things on their head so they don't get pooped on.
I'm not eating here.
This little boy's trying to feed them right in front of us while we're eating. Thanks, John.
I'll get them away.
Start eating quickly.
Now they're gonna come towards me. No.
Don't throw it this way.
He threw one under my leg.
Now, take a bite.
Take a bite while they're gone. Oh, that guy's cute. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay, bye.
That's a great picture, Summer.
Hey guys, we got back from the beach a while ago, and I showered and finished school. What'd you do, Summer?
Nothing. I just sat here the whole time.
What'd you do, Hannah?
Hannah.
Hannah.
The vlog.
Hannah.
The the vlog.
What did you do after we got back from the beach? What did you do after we got back from the beach?
got this.
Yeah, she ate and then she just
Right
like
to the ground.
So yeah,
Because I wasn't feeling good.
yeah, she's not feeling good. Are you feeling good now?
Not really. The other vlog was funny. Okay, can I go back into my world?
So anyways, we're just gonna end the vlog here, and we'll vlog more tomorrow. We're all tired and stuff, so we're gonna end it, and we'll vlog more tomorrow. Oh, look, my eyeball. Yeah, so we're gonna end it, and we'll vlog more tomorrow. Bye!
Bye! Bye!